everyone and welcome back to Chao. It is September already. Time flies. 2020 is coming to an end. Yes, we do want it to end immediately. But it is 3 more months before Christmas. And this is about the time when you are thinking of additional items in your menu that is suitable for the holidays. Well, what are the Christmas colors? Red and green. Today, I am going to share with you something green. We are going to make mint chocolate. And for this, we are going to use mint flavor. I am going to use a mint flavoring here. You can use any brand that is available for you. And for the chocolate, we are going to use my own blend of dark chocolate. I would strongly recommend that you use unsweetened chocolate or cocoa powder. Do not use sweetened ones or 3-in-1. It just will not be the same. The ingredients that we need today, very simple: dark chocolate, mint flavor, milk, and our milk syrup. Let's start making our first holiday menu for 2020, mint milk chocolate. We are going to top our drink with milk foam. So let's start by making our milk foam. For this, I am going to use my manual milk frother. I filled it with fresh milk, 1/3 of a cup, and let's pop. And then I'm going to pop this in my icebox or refrigerator for when we need to use it later. Here's our mint latte, 60 ml of fresh milk and 20 ml of our mint syrup. To this, I'm going to add 45 ml of our milk syrup. There you go. So this is our mint latte. Let's put this aside for now. And we are going to make our cocoa, our chocolate topping. For this I have here 1 scoop or 4 teaspoons of our dark chocolate powder. To this, I'm going to add 60 ml or 2 ounces of hot water. And we are going to dissolve it completely. So now we have our chocolate and we are going to assemble our drinks. I'm using a 16-ounce cup here. For the recipe for 22 ounces cup, please check the description box below. So I'm going to put ice here. Ice into my cup, and we are going to first pour our mint latte into the cup. Mint milk chocolate. Very simple recipe for the holiday season. Something green, something Christmassy. Let's see how it tastes. Well, it looks very creamy. And now it looks very chocolatey. Reminds me of those little mint chocolate that I used to find under the Christmas tree. This time, mint chocolate in a glass. Something that you can drink. Absolutely delightful. So there you go. Try this for yourself, for your friends or family, or add it to your holiday menu this 2020 Christmas. Soon, it will be Christmas Day. And I'm really looking forward to it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video tutorial. If there's anything that you would like me to add in my future videos, do let me know and I'll try my best. In the meantime, stay safe, thank you for watching, and ciao for now.